video, I'm going to explain about Patch Editor. Patch Editor is a facility available in SparkAR which can be used to program easily. And if you are like very good in JavaScript, you can even write your program. But this is basically a English and an easy way of programming. So you have an option here in Workspace, Show and Hide Patch Editor, and here it is available. So let me do it. So what it is? Basically, you have some options here like animation, audio, device, face landmarks, interaction, logic, math, shaders, time, and utility. Um, Basically, you get some patches when you do that, and those patches can be joined with each other to have your functionality. So I have imported a cube and a spark from the asset store. I put the cube in my camera. I put my spark in the camera, and I have them available in my screen. Now see this. The spark option is visible and the cube is also visible. So basically, yeah, these two are visible. So now I'll choose the spark option, go in the properties, scale option is there. I'll make it 2 and 2. So see, we see a bigger size. I go to the cube, I change its scale also, and 2. Yeah, let's keep it as a cuboid only. Yeah, so here it is. So now how do I use the patch editor? So I go to the cube and see you have some arrows visible here, visible, animation, position. These arrows are useful to make a patch of that particular feature. So I use the visible and see I have a patch of the cube visible option. I use a position, I have a patch of the position. So you can use patch to give a position to your object. So now visible or not, see. And now basically I'll show you about various things. There is an option interaction. Interaction, we can choose the screen tap option available. Yes, screen tap. And now see, we connect the tab and the screen option. So now what does this happen? When you tap your screen, you will have your cube as visible. So we go to the simulator option, simulate touch. Now see, I touch on the screen, I have the cube visible. I touch one more time, it goes invisible. Switch. What does the switch statement does? Switch is like on off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. And the switch option, just observe the switch option. It has many other options. So now if we use the turn on option and we have a tap on the screen, it will turn on, but it won't turn off because we have changed the option from flip to turn on. And if you go to the turn off option, it will become its visibility will go and we won't be able to bring the visibility back when we tap again. So this is interaction. So understand it. We have taken a patch from the interaction screen tab. A switch appeared on its own and you have a cube here with its property visibility. And basically patch editor is just like English. Now see, we click on this, we have an option interaction. So just go through these options. Now how do you want interaction to be? Happy face, object tap, mouth open, screen pen, screen tap, and these are all the options which you can use. As I have explained earlier, patch editor is like just like English. So you think something, you bring it into action. And it's like much better because you don't have to remember any syntax or anything. You have to just connect the dots. Now see, your first idea should be like on what does this action trigger? Like what should happen for this action to trigger? So you need interaction. So interaction. Basically interaction is the first step for programming. And there are various types of interaction. Actually, even this you need to explore. Now see, if I bring the cube here, I get the object patch. Object patch I can connect to object tab. See, it requires object tab requires object, right? So you need to think like that. So I bring in the object here. Tab and then object tab. But what does object tab should do? So you need to bring it in here. So now I am preferring visibility because it's easy. Object tab, I bring it here. Switch. I have explained switch earlier. You go here and now see the object is not visible. Simulate touch. Why am I not getting it? Okay. Turn on. We are facing an issue here about visibility. We are not able to click the tick button and it's like we are not able to make it visible. So remember, whenever we have to reverse the effect, we have to import a not patch. A not patch reverses the effect. So we have cube here, we have a not patch here, we connect the not patch. Now see, it's visible. We tap a screen, turn off flip, yes, and it's not visible. There was an error here. I had connected the switch to turn off. So that's how it works. This is just a small idea we have written, but normally there are lots of patches and it just becomes a mess. So we have to basically select them and group them. And when we group them, see now here it's visible. We can name it afterwards. We can name it 1. So we like this have a lot of patches and we group them and name them, so it becomes easy. Then you can just explore inside a loop by clicking on it. There is an option show map here, which shows like where are your group patches located everywhere, because the patch editor is like very long and very wide, so they can just go around anywhere. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos.